Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, a look at the headlines. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong lays the foundation stone for the construction of Umskun Village Blacktopping Road. Central leader will take a call on pulling out from the government, says BJP State President Ernest Mauri. 22 villages in Block 2 is on Assam jurisdiction. Government is fighting to re-transfer to Meghalaya, says Preston Tinsong. And Directorate of Horticulture facilitates shipment of 2 metric ton of Khasi mandarin to Doha. And now the news in detail. The Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Preston Tinsong, on Thursday laid the foundation for the construction of Blacktopping Road for Umskun village under Nongpo constituency. The Blacktopping Road, at a distance of 2.50 km from the National Highway 6 connecting to Umskun village, will be constructed under general scheme at an estimated cost of Rs 4.50 crore. The laying of the foundation stone was also attended by Umshning MDC Magdalene S. Maulong, Rebhoy Deputy Commissioner Arpit Upadhyay, Superintendent Engineering PWD S. Kindya, Headman of Umskun Village Stephen Xiar, and residents of Umskun Village, among others. BJP State President Ernest Mauri responded to the query on BJP pulling out from the MDA government during the press conference. He said this subject matter has been entrusted to the national leaders. He also informed that he met the national leaders and discussed many issues, especially how to fight elections, how to strengthen the party, and to identify many seats to contest. He reaffirmed that the central leaders will take a call on pulling out from the government. Meanwhile, former TMC MLA H.M. Shampliang, who recently joined the BJP at Delhi, while speaking to media persons, said that they have joined the BJP for the betterment of the state and of the people. He said, "We want to build roads, bridges, give roads to rural areas, and would like to see intensive development in roads in the next 5 years."
This subject matter has been endorsed to the central leadership. So we are waiting for their call. We are making the strategy how to fight election, how to strengthen the party, and how to identify the seat, more seat, when they will sit. We have discussed all those things.
There is a lot that we should be doing for the state. The roads and communication that we want to bring. We want to bring bigger roads. We want to build bridges. We want to give roads to the rural areas. The PMGSY right now is also not extended to most of the rural areas. We would like to see an extensive development of rural roads in the next 5 years.
The Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Preston Tinsong, on Thursday has clearly indicated that the 22 villages located in Block 2 areas falls under the jurisdiction of Assam State, and the state government of Meghalaya, led by the MDA government, has submitted the presentation to the Assam State government so that these 22 villages can be re-transferred back to Meghalaya in the second phase of border talks, which is going on. He also informed that in these few days, the harassment met by the people in border areas, which was done by the Assam police, the state government has taken the initiative to direct the Deputy Commissioner of the district to hold talks with the Deputy Commissioner of Assam to settle down the matter at the earliest.
Khat pra plus saw nagara dawi ay kalis seti sa Assam. Bakalis kulong bakani kada hapa ka block 2. Abong block 2 kamut hap sa Assam. Ngimday basu bakla ta na madon ki basu bakla ki ong jaj pangila pha ay kalis sa Assam kamut ka hap nikala. Kampadai gumta. Kani kadang hap ha ka jingkren jongi kadang yaj. Bat bahabangi yakren ka jingkren undai bangi ong don ka differences, undai ban ong bangi don ka dispute.
The Directorate of Horticulture has facilitated on Friday the shipment of another 200 kg, that is 2 metric ton, of Khasi mandarin from Ardong Plangwar Organic Producer Cooperative Society Limited, Southwest Khasi Hills, to Doha, Bahrain, United Arab Emirates. Speaking to reporters, Director of Horticulture D. Sotun informed that it is the second shipment that was launched and the first shipment was from Jirang. It may be mentioned that the mandarin was purchased and exported by a Dubai-based retail chain, Lulu Group International, having its headquarters in Abu Dhabi, the capital of United Arab Emirates. The mandarin was then purchased and exported by a Nagpur-based exporter, Praveen Wankhede, from Universe Export, who also hails from a farmer family, and the trail shipment was sent to Dubai, UAE. Former National People's Party legislator from Selcela, Fairlin C.H. Sangma, who recently resigned from the assembly to join the Bharatiya Janata Party, said that they were bound to leave the party because they were sidelined within the party. Even in our own constituencies, we had no say and literally we were driven out, she added. Whereas a former Raksamgre MLA, Benedict R. Marak, said that he was the chief executive member of the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council and questioned him being sidelined by the Chief Minister Conrad Sangma. The former Raksamgre legislator said that with Christmas knocking, the employees of the GHDC are yet to get their 3 years pending salaries.
Chief executive member, last 8 months, our district council, Christmas is so near, only 1 week left, but salary is still pending. 3 years above is going up.
After the success and achievement of the Environment Coordination Committee (ECC) of Ilaka Stunga to shut down 34 illegal coke factories on Thursday, the ECC continued with a peaceful rally for the remaining 14 coke plants which are still running. The public rally was organized by the ECC for the third time, along with its women's wing, to demand for the closure of the 14 coke plants which have obtained clearance from the state government. Speaking at the rally, ECC legal advisor Reading War expressed that what information he has received that even to establish five coke factories will be a cause of air pollution. Later, the ECC handed a memorandum to the Deputy Commissioner, East Jayante Hills District, Abhilaj Baranwal, for closure of these remaining 14 coke factories from Ilaka Stunga. And now here is the weather report. The maximum temperature recorded was 17.8 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 8.6 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 100%, while in the evening it stood at 84%. The forecast: weather is most likely to remain dry. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. And before we conclude, a look at the headlines once again. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong lays the foundation stone for the construction of Umskun Village Blacktopping Road. Central leaders will take a call on pulling out from the government, says BJP State President Ernest Maury. 22 villages in Block 2 is on Assam jurisdiction. Government is fighting to re-transfer to Meghalaya, says Preston Tinsong. And Directorate of Horticulture facilitates shipment of 2 metric tons of Khasi mandarin to Doha. And that's a wrap of today's edition of the news. Thank you very much for joining us. And from all of us here, it's wishing you good night.